Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today we've got the Diode Dynamics LED dome light bulbs for the 09 to 14 F150. So we're gonna do a quick overview, but real quick, make sure you head down below, hit subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram. With that being said, we'll jump right into it. So these little LED bulbs, there's actually 3 different versions you can get, and the one I have here on the bench is the SMD 12. So this is the most powerful bulb option that you can select on our site. There are 2 other light options that are slightly lower power. The first option being the SMF2, which is 16 lumen, the SMF4, which is 56 lumens, and then like we said, the SMD12 here, which is 118 lumens. So as you can see here with the SMD12 kit, what you get is the adapter and the actual LED board. So you'll be able to use this festoon adapter to plug into the board, and then this will just fit inside the actual little dome light housing in your truck. Now with the lower tier lights, they actually are built into the actual festoon style, so you won't have an adapter, it'll just plug into the actual bulb area without any extra wiring. But because this one is brighter and has more LEDs, it's designed that way. So some of the advantages to having an LED bulb like this are going to be obviously the brighter output within your cab, so you'll be able to fill more space and get just a better flood of light around the inside of your truck. Also, these produce a little less heat and a little less energy draw, not that they're big bulbs to begin with, but just makes it a little more efficient and gives the truck a little bit more of a modern look on the inside. If you guys want to pick up a set of these Diode Dynamics bulbs for the interior of your truck, you can head down to the description below and we'll have a link for you guys so you can head to the site and grab a set for yourself. And with that being said, we'll see you guys next time.